Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight tickets on Kayak. So first head over to kayak.com and in the search bar, start using the search filter. Of course, make sure that you're on the flights section. Next is choose what kind of trip you're planning to take and select the location or departure area you're coming from and to which airport or location you're trying to fly into. Next, of course, select your departure date and date of return. And of course, the number of travelers and cabin class. And once everything is good, just hit the search button. Now here's a new search filter. You can choose by sorting results from cheapest or to the best results or the quickest. And from the search results, select a specific flight depending on the time and date, flight hours, then click on the select button. Next is choose where to book. You can choose from booking.com, Jetstar, Agoda, Kiwi, and a lot more. Then just click on book. This will then redirect you to your preferred booking site. So since we selected Jetstar, just click on continue to booking. Now from your preferred website, just proceed with your booking. Select packages and inclusions. And of course, our returning flight. Then continue to bags. So select depending on your checked-in baggage, carry-on baggage, and for your returning flight, of course, your baggages. And if there are oversized items, then you can proceed to the seats. Now choose if you would like to avail additional checked baggage weight, or you can also just pick no. Now just select your preferred seat, then continue to extras. So you have an option to avail meals and snacks, or you can just proceed to booking details. Now from here, you can simply sign in or create an account on Jetstar, or you can manually fill in details about the passenger. And once done, the last step is review and of course pay for your flight. Once the payment is done and confirmed, you will then get a confirmation email that includes details about your flight. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!